Valentine's Day, and got an MTB box came in. So we're gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. Here we go.
See what we have got. Alright. Ooh, I see some stickies right off the bat. Heck yeah. Definitely digging those. Right off the bat we got. Here we go. Camera focus there. Some stickies. Wacky Rig Drop Shot. I've been needing some of these, so I've actually held off to buy some because I thought maybe some would be coming in my Mr. Tackle box, and I got some, so I'm super jacked for that. So, got those guys. What else we got here? A little power spinner. Power spinner, huh? Those look pretty sweet, so sure we'll be throwing those on a few things. Heck yeah. Carl's stash. Always giving us the goods. Alright, then we got a jig. Oh yeah. Always digging the jigs. Love throwing jigs. Got a Zorro Bait Company. This is a mouse head swim jig. Let's see, wire trailer keeper for no slip. That's awesome. Heck yeah. So thanks to those guys. Big thanks. Got those. So what else we get here? We got some Venom lures. The Venrig Mad Tone Special. So we got a couple like little purple crawly baits with a little swim jig head there. Heck yeah. That is awesome. So yeah, try that guy out. Been super stoked and waiting for these guys, but we got some bio spawns finally to try out. So we'll be rigging those in a couple different ways, seeing if we can get them smallies to come in. So it's gonna be a big hitter, I'm sure. Super stoked for those. Alright. Oh, nice little. See, is that a Venom sticker, I think? Yeah, it is. Heck yeah, that's awesome. Sweet sticker. This guys. Oh, a nice big swim bait. Big old frog. Oh, it's supposed to be like a frog style. Top water. Swim bait there. Sorry for my son in the background crying. He's a little upset today. But yeah, hollow body shad, top water, little hollow body. See if we can catch any largemouth on Coeur d'Alene, Hayden Lake with that thing. So see, that looks pretty sweet. And then the one that I've been waiting for is this guy. Big Kara. Japanese. All Japanese, made in Japan. This thing is sweet though. I mean, just super realistic. I'll be stoked to throw that thing around a little bit. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for our mystery tackle box unboxing Valentine's Day edition. We'll get back with you guys next time on the water. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys.